How to remove text from a video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you different ways to remove text from a video in CapCut. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the method 1, that is to delete the text that you have added in CapCut. So here, this method is best if the text was added by you inside the CapCut. So here, let's say if you are editing some random videos on TikTok or CapCut, and here let's say that you have added text right here, and here if you want to export or exclude this text, then what you can do is simply tap on that particular text clip, and after that you can simply tap on the cross icon shown right beside that particular text. And now here, with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to crop out the text. So here you can use this method if the text is part of the original video. So here you can simply import the video into CapCut, and with that you can just tap on video layer, and after that you can simply scroll through the option, and there you can simply find the crop option. So here you can simply find the crop option. And now here, once you've found it, you can simply tap on it, and from there you can simply select the aspect ratio of your videos through which you can exclude that particular text that you want to remove. And with that being said, moving forward to the method 3, that is to blur or cover the text. So it's best for the watermarks or subtitles. So here what you can do is simply add the video to the CapCut, and here once you have added it, you can just tap on the video clip, and after that on the bottom there you can simply scroll through the option and tap on effects. And now here, once you're inside the effects, you can just tap on video effects, and after that you can simply tap on the search bar and simply search for blur, and there you can apply any blur that you like. And here, once you're done applying it, you can simply go back, and with that you can resize and place the blur over the text, and there you can adjust the blur intensity as well. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.